AI tools for coding. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Go to your browser and navigate to Replit. Log into your existing account or sign up for a new one if you don't have an account yet. After you're logged in, locate the prompt bar and type what application or website you want to build. You can use a prompt template for guidance, for example using Book Scanner as a project idea. Once you've entered your project description, click Start Chat to begin the process. Wait patiently while the AI generates the initial prototype for your project. After the AI completes the prototype generation, click Approve Plan and Start to proceed to the next phase. Now allow the AI to generate the fully functional code for your application or website. During this process, if your app or website includes AI tools or features, you'll need to copy the API key as instructed on the left sidebar. This step is crucial for enabling AI functionality in your project. After completing the API key setup if required, wait until the AI finishes generating and setting up your complete project.